Welcome back to Acer Showroom, your go-to destination for all things two-wheeled, where we bring you the latest, the finest, and the most exciting rides on the market. Today, we are diving into a scooter that's been turning heads and raising expectations, the 2025 Genuine Scooters Buddy Kick 125i. First look at the Buddy Kick 125i. Genuine Scooters has long been a fan favorite when it comes to compact urban mobility, and with the 2025 Buddy Kick 125i, they are taking things up a notch. This isn't just a refresh, it's a reimagining. Sleek body lines, a premium paint finish, and a minimalist European-inspired aesthetic make this scooter both functional and fashionable. It's clear the Buddy Kick 125i is designed for riders who want to make a statement on the streets. Performance meets precision. At the heart of the 2025 Buddy Kick is a 124.7 cubic centimeters fuel-injected engine, offering a smooth, responsive ride. It delivers enough power to confidently handle both urban streets and weekend getaways, all while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. Thanks to its continuously variable transmission CVT, you'll experience effortless acceleration and seamless shifting, ideal for stop-and-go traffic or longer cruising sessions. Smart, safe, and rider-focused. Genuine Scooters has equipped the Buddy Kick 125i with features that prioritize your safety and comfort. Combined braking with front and rear disc brakes ensures solid stopping power, while a digital analog dash gives you all the info you need at a glance. LED lighting enhances visibility, and the scooter's compact form factor means maneuvering through tight city corners or crowded parking lots is a breeze. Modern conveniences for urban riders. The 2025 model comes with thoughtful touches, like ample underseat storage, a handy USB charging port, and a comfortable two-up seat perfect for rides with a passenger. The scooter's lightweight frame and low seat height make it especially approachable for new riders, while still delivering the performance experienced riders expect. Why the Buddy Kick 125i stands out. What sets the Buddy Kick apart is its blend of style, efficiency, and reliability. It carries the legacy of Genuine Scooters' quality craftsmanship, backed by industry-leading support and a 2-year warranty. Whether you're commuting, running errands, or just exploring, the Buddy Kick 125i is built to fit into your lifestyle with ease and personality. The 2025 Genuine Scooters Buddy Kick 125i is now available, and it's making waves for all the right reasons. If you're ready to upgrade your ride or just want to see what this modern classic feels like in person, head over to Acer Showroom, where style meets performance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more scooter updates, reviews, and test ride reports. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.